Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out top 5 best small drone with camera you can buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinions and our research, and I've listed them based on quality, features, and I've included options for every type of consumer. So whether you're looking for best small drone with camera, and have the products for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure in the description below. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Teeggi SG-106 Wi-Fi FPV-RC drone. Brand name, Teeggi. Model number, SG-106. Built-in double 1080p or 4K HD wide-angle camera are tuned amazingly to capture stunning pictures and videos from the sky. Tracked flight, you can draw the flight track you want to on the phone, and the quadcopter will fly the line you're painting. With Wi-Fi function, can be connected app to take pictures, video, real-time transmission through the phone camera image. With headless mode, no need to adjust the position of aircraft before flying. With one key to return function makes it easily to find the way home. Smart follow, the drone follows the moving remote control target and performs a function of following. 2.4 GHz technology adopted for anti-interference. 4-channel which can do ascend, descend, forward, backward, left sideward flight, right sideward fly and rolling 360 degree. 6-axis gyro which can have more stable flying and be easy to control. 3.7 volt 1600 mAh high capacity battery support, maximum flying times 22 minutes. XKJ new mini drone with camera. Brand name, XKJ. Model number, LS Mini. 4K 1080p HD camera pixel. Folding drone body only 8 cm. Easy tape by only one hand. Match with official storage bag. It is more convenient to carry when travel. Creation as your wish is the life of director. Light and small body, long playing time. A single battery can make it 13 minutes of flight time, which is longer than other most consumer drones of the same type. Flying is more freedom, shooting is more leisurely. With 4K film level camera, offer you more create space. 4K HD 40 million pixel, 120 degree super wide angle shot. Took photo by beauty camera, it is more amazing. Watch HD images in real time, live broadcast when fly. ASY to play, you can learn how to play it quickly. One key stunt on the sky, with stunt roll program, only one key, it can achieve the air 360 degree rolling, let your drone catch a envious eye in the crowd. Xingyu Chuanqi RC 4K camera drone. Brand name, Xingyu Chuanqi. Model number, V4. Shadow HD record 3 4K HD folding drone. With a foldable arm, it is small and easy to carry. Has a high hold mode function to provide stable flight. With Wi-Fi function, you can connect to app, APK system to take photos, video, and transfer images in real time through mobile phone camera. With track flight mode, you can choose the route you need. With gestures to take photos. MV music editing features. There are 3 cameras to choose from. Equipped with a 720p 1080p 4K wide-angle camera for a wide range of high-definition pictures and videos. No head mode, no need to adjust the aircraft position before flight. With a one-button return function, you can easily find your way home. Anti-interference uses 2.4 GHz technology. 4 channels that can be raised, lowered, forwarded, retreated, left-handed, right-handed, and 360 rolled. 6-axis gyroscope for more stable flight and easy control. The 4-rotor body is made of high-strength and engineering-resistant plastic, lightweight and durable. Quadcopter battery, 3.7 volt 1600 mAh lithium battery. Flight time, 16 to 20 minutes. Lansenxi E68 Pro Wide-Angle 4K Drone. Brand name, Lansenxi. Model number, E68 Pro. Wide-Angle 4K 1080p Wi-Fi FPV camera drones. Drone 2 is an ideal choice for you with advanced technology in many fields, stable control performance and outstanding image performance. 4K HD camera details are clearly visible. Foldable drone, easy folding, easy to take. Outstanding image performance, the demand for shooting technology and image quality is constantly improving. Stable camera, effectively reduce image blur caused by camera jitter and improve image quality. Power motor noise reduction Bladia, better provide strong power and reduce flight noise. Remote control, 2.4 GHz high-frequency signal, strong anti-interference ability, 150-meter remote control distance, real-time picture transmission. Powerful wind resistance system, streamlined fuselage greatly reduces drag when flying at full speed, creating a smooth and safe flight experience. Easy operation, easy for novice. Smooth body design more stable and faster, flight time 15 minutes RC distance 150 meter. You can fly indoors and outdoors, 2-speed, you can switch speed at will. Lansenxi E88 RC Mini 4K Drone. Brand name, Lansenxi. Model number, E88. Lightweight folding, easy to grasp with one hand. It takes 3.5 years, regardless of appearance or performance. Every process is after rigorous manual testing, using aviation-grade explosion-proof materials. Strong anti-collision and strong anti-stress. Advanced hover technology to make your flight simpler and easier to get started. Delicately folded unexpected surprise. Smaller and lighter, fly if you want. The drone has a 4K HD camera, and the foldable drone is easy to carry. HD pixels. Intelligent fixed height hover. Give you a better creative space, 4K HD wide-angle lens on the front wider aerial photography range. 4K HD pixels, 110-degree wide-angle lens. Give you more stable shooting performance. Support 50x zoom effect, app built in electronic zoom. Air pressure fixed height intelligent hover, stable hovering aerial photography system.